Elk's entire business in the U.S. is focused on CO2 EOR in the Rocky Mountains. Our core projects, Grieve and Madden, are located in Wyoming. Our newest acquisition, the Aneth Oil Field, is located in the Southern Rockies in southeastern Utah. The advantage of that, it gives us the capability to have full year operations, unaffected by the winter weather. The Aneth asset is a tremendously good fit for Elk. It takes us to the next level. It gives us operational control. It's very much focused in our operating core area of the Rocky Mountains, and it is focused on exactly what we do, which is CO2 EOR production and development of existing mature large-scale oil fields. The Aneth acquisition is quite transformative for Elk. To put it in perspective, it's increased our 2P reserves by 300%. It's increased our daily production by 250%. It's increased our monthly revenue by 500%. When you look at, we currently get 6,000 barrels a day of net production from Aneth, and at current oil prices, that's $10 million a month. So that's quite a dramatic increase for us. And it really does move Elk from being a junior oil and gas company to the largest mid-tier oil and gas company on the ASX. So if you want to be focused on a company with a high exposure to oil production and increasing oil prices, then you need to focus on Elk, because we are the ASX mid-tier oil and gas company with the highest level of exposure to oil as a total percentage of reserves and production. The financial impact is quite dramatic. Before acquiring Aneth, our monthly production sales were about $2 million a month. Now we're looking at adding another $10 million a month at current oil prices. So we've gone from $24 million a year in total production to over 150. The Grieve Project is progressing really well. We're very close to reaching mechanical completion on the project. The final stages of that physical construction are in the last surge to get that done before the North American winter. The electrical crews are out on site installing all the electrical and instrumentation facilities, and so we're really looking forward to the startup of Grieve right towards the end of this year, beginning of 2018. We're expecting to achieve first oil production from the Grieve Project right at the beginning of 2018. The Madden gas plant has had a lot of activity over the North American summer through June, July. There was a major turnaround maintenance program on the Lost Cabin gas plant. What that does is that improves the overall efficiency of the gas processing capacity of the plant. We do that every 2 years or so. Also, to improve the overall profitability of the operation, the oldest part of the gas plant was just recently retired. And those parts from the oldest part of the plant are now available for ongoing maintenance and life extension for the remaining part of the Lost Cabin gas plant. So it's been a very successful construction season at the Madden field. The gas production has surged back up following that maintenance at the Lost Cabin gas plant, and because of retiring older early equipment in the facility, profitability is returned. We're going into 2018 with a very strong surge, a strong growth in reserves, strong growth in production, and an extremely strong growth in revenue and profitability.